All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I have gotten a lot of products in for review, and sometimes you're blessed with something from another creator. And this video right here is sponsored by Wheels, Gadgets, and More. I'll leave his channel link below so you can sub to him if you have not subbed already. There's a lot of people in my circle. Obviously, I have over 100,000 subs, and so he's at about 10. So let's get him to 100. So subscribing is free. And it doesn't cost you anything. So go check him out. He does a lot of content just like I do. And so he sent these over to me, and I appreciate him sponsoring this video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. This is the Weeylite setup. I have a Weeylite, but definitely don't have these. So I appreciate him giving me these to sponsor the channel with this, and I appreciate it. So I'm going to crack this open, and I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'm going to use them real quick for you and show you how they work. So just looking at it here, you can see you have two power plugs here for each light, because there's two lights in here. And then there's two ginormous tripods. And I like that this has a, and there's some more adapters and things like that for mounting up your cameras. These are gold. Will, man, I appreciate you for these, because these are like gold. I need these all the time, man. These are hard to come by. So if you have tripod setups, these are very much needed. So yeah, there's two of these in here. It's going to be to mount the lights up. And then they have these ginormous tripods here. Good thing I have a big desk. So I'm going to go ahead and get one of the lights out and show you here. So as you can see here, the lights can run on batteries. I'll probably pick up some batteries for these since these were gifted to me. But they do run on power. So there's the on-off switch, and then here's the dimmer switch and control. Now there is a remote control, and I'll go over that once he gets it back to me, because I think he said he's going to send me the remote too. But this is the back of the light here. You can actually put two batteries here, but having them on power is fine with me because I can plug them right into my desk. So we're going to get these hooked up, mounted up. I'm going to see how I'm going to mount these to my current setup here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So currently I have just these two small lights, and I'm actually going to replace these lights with these lights. And I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do that, because I can actually mount, I have another mount that I can put on the other side of my desk to have both lights come down. So we are going to figure this out together, but I'm going to mount these up, and I'm going to show you how we'll use them for a vlog. So it is completely dark in my office. As you can see, I removed the overhead that I normally use for overhead shots. And here are both lights right here. This is my desk. And if I was going to go ahead and do a vlog, this is what it would look like. And it's actually still daylight outside. I just closed my curtain, but here are the lights. And boy, are they bright. And so if I'm sitting here with them facing me, this is the type of quality that I could expect. These are some bright lights, folks, and they really light the room up. And they're not all the way at full brightness. You can't see that, but they are not at full brightness, and they light up the room. As you can see there, this is the best way to use, well, one of the best ways to use them if you're going to do a vlog with you sitting in the chair facing yourself. So here's just a quick front-facing vlog with me just sitting here with the lights on. I don't have them up very high. These lights are going to be fantastic for vlogs and top-down shots or whatever I decide to use them for. I'm definitely probably not going to keep them on the stand. I'm going to actually mount them onto the desk, because that'll be a room. That'll be a lot of room in the office with these ginormous stands. Even though I have a big office, but I don't want to keep the stands up because I actually roll my desk around a lot around the office, and I like to have everything mounted to the desk. And so I'm going to mount these lights to the desk and put them on the overhead rig. And this is the type of quality that I can look forward to if I'm doing a front-facing vlog. Now, since I already have the Weeylite application installed, from my previous Weeylites. I have that one single Weeylite. So what I did was I went up here to channel and I changed it to channel 3. And I put both of these lights on channel 3 so I could control them. And as you can see here, I can control, you see they're dimming and getting brighter as I move the switch there. And I put them both on channel 3 so I can control them this way if I'm going to be using them for a vlog. So even though I don't have the remote, I can still go in and use the application to do so. As you can see here, I can choose different saturations. I could change the color of the lights. Anything you could think of, I can do it. And boy, that is beautiful. And I can bring it all the way down. And I can go to this side right here and go to, if you have seizures, I know some people have seizures. We want to avoid that, just so you know. That part of the video didn't mean to upset anybody. But you can go through all the different motions here, just like you can with the original Weeylite application. And if I want to turn them off, I turn them off. That's the great thing about these being able to be controlled by the application. And that is fantastic, folks. Fantastic. So, folks, there you have it. Again, I appreciate Wheels Gadgets and More sending over these fantastic lights for a vlog. And honestly, I was actually getting tired of the smaller lights I had. So these will stay on power. I just have them plugged in. I really want to get some of the batteries. I think the batteries would be cool to get. That way I can go completely off the grid because I do have solar at my house. So I'm not really using any power right now while the sun is shining. But I still want to be able to use these at any given time. And I think investing in the batteries will be a good thing for me. So, and you can see my desk is very big and motorized. And so when I'm doing something, sometimes I like to stand up and shoot video. So I will get these mounted up in my permanent position, but let me back up a little bit. Here are the lights, man. This is a great setup. And Will H Tech Reviews, man, I can't thank you enough. God bless you. You let me know of anything I can do for you in the future at all. So all you creators out there, take care of each other. We have to do it. That's the only way we'll survive. Again, big thank you to Wheels Gadgets and More. And if you're on my channel, I think I need you to be on his channel too. Let's get him. It sounds unrealistic, but honestly, if all of you guys just go hit sub, he'll be at 100,000. It's just that simple. It's free. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.